So you guys, thank you very much. And again, tomorrow we will be having another meet and greet group. And of course, they will be here tomorrow, almost around the same time. I think that's going to be around 1 p.m. So invite your friends for them to see up close. Maraming salamat sa inyo again. Thank you very much. And have a great day.
Alright, thank you so much. Those are our screen until the spirits. Ano ang sunod natin segment? What do we have next? We have Hobby Stadium and we are going to have our auction. Alright. Okay, so may auction tayo dito. I am excited for this one too. Guys, kung hindi nga lang yung mga bibili nyo, natin yung dito. I might give me a chance to poodle you with some fine merchandise here from Hobby Stadium. So, sino ang natin na kasama na dito sa Hobby Stadium?
So, hello everyone! Sige, punta tayo dito. So, welcome to our Pokemon Live Auction.
Pokemon?
Proudly hosted by our friends at Hobby Stadium. So, let's give time sa mga tao pumunta kasi later on, we will auction some of our collectible items including stock toys, ETVs, Destiny Rivals, Journey Togethers, and many more. So
Did I hear that correctly? Pokemon?
yes, Pokemon.
Okay, Pokemon fans, we have a Pokemon auction right here for collectibles. Malay mo! Malay mo! You know, you get something for cheap.
Did somebody say Pokemon?
Yes.
That's who I brought on
What?
today.
Is that Pikachu?
Pikachu is my phone actually.
Is there a case for...
Perhaps. Perhaps, you know.
I have to find one.
Yeah,
I
so
have to find one.
calling all Pokemon enthusiasts, there's a lot of room in front of the stage right now. You never know what you're going to get at this auction.
May sample ba tayo dyan ng... Oh!
Yeah, so meron tayong mga products that will start with 1 peso. So piso beat. So there are quick rules for the auction. So bidding starts at the price default, and you should raise your hand or shout. So we will give ample time for you to go here in front of the stage. Then minimum increments will be 50 pesos unless stated. Then, for the payment, we only accept cash or Gcash. So what else do we have? Again, lagyan na natin dito.
Let's see that Charizard.
The charger.
Wow.
Yan. Ah, feeling ko ito. Show everything.
People at home, are you seeing this? It's not too late to run here.
Paano yung mga sa live? Diba?
Are there rules for our people?
Sorry, pero siyempre, effort pa rin ng mga
Sir, introduce yourself muna.
So my name is Glenn. So I'm from Hobby State. So today, we're doing our live auction. Sige guys, punta pa. Meron tayong mga Pokemon products. Next pa ba?
I bet even the ones passing by, pwede sila mag-build, sila nakakaalala. But I'm looking at some incredible stuff right here.
These are things that
These are from McDonald's.
I know, right? You know, I remember seeing these a long time ago, never saw them again. So, guys, if this is a Honda piece of merch for you, now,
This is 2019. Wait, what's this? It's a case.
Nasa taas. Okay. Hold on.
Pinupupok ng dalawa.
Okay.
Dito may Marwin!
It's just a case.
for card,
Yeah.
For one card. Pero may mga pinakaminamahal na cards lang.
Right.
The right is for you.
Oh.
One card is for a slab.
perfect for the card enthusiasts who will be coming from.
All right, you want to try one item first?
Sure. Okay.
Let's start with one item.
Let's start with Easily.
Easily.
A Pokemon Extra exclusive card. Happy Meal from McDonald's. So this was released like 1990. So we'll start with
All right, so we got here Pokemon.
Baka mamaya lang.
Very collectible.
Apa nyo? Sabi na.
Okay, so how much?
Pwede kayo tumabas.
500! Meron tayo 500! 600! Meron tayo 600! Anyone going higher than 600?
I love how aggressive you are.
Going once! Meron ba?
Going once,
Going twice!
Wala.
Wala! So dito na lang guys.
Next up.
just a reminder though, for those who are bidding for the next item, you don't accept cash, we cash. So while we're getting ready, you still have some time to make your way to the main stage. All the way up in four, we're getting a crowd now. Pokemon is your favorite, so welcome over here. And if you want to go, there's still time. Pokemon 2025. And I'm thinking I found out it's pet friendly. So you guys want to bring your pets in costume? Very encouraged. Okay, next one.
All right, next up is we got a Mewtwo Stuffy. There it is, from Japan. Okay, so Takara Tommy. Alright, so it's Takara Tommy. Mewtwo starting at 100 pesos.
500! Dito 500 over.
Savage, Savage. Anybody want to do? One day. One day. One day. There you go, 1K right there. How about 1-1? 1-1. Out there. 1-2. 1-2. 1-2. 013, anybody want to bid? 1,300 for a YouTube plushie. Napakaganda po sa Kala Tommy. Alright, 1-2. Go 1-3. 1-2, go in once. Okay, so.
Ano man? So next one, we have the Charmander. Our starting bid will be 100. Going 1,000. Ay, 100. 200. 500. 600.
Thank you so much.
Marito may bagong ring. Bagong ring. Huwag niya ako.
So yung number ni ate 18. Ganyan labas yung kanina, sir. Hawakan niyo tong dice ko. Yung numbers ng dice is 1 to 20. Para manalo, iba't ano dyan, kailangan mo sa number 18. Yes, chances. Good luck po, sir. Ready, shoot! I'll try, ah.
Dad!
18! Thank you very much. Nabigyan ko na
Ito po, meron pa po dito, photo card.
Dito na yun eh.
You might win this one. The guard took my
This one po.
No, this is the feedback. And Instagram followers. You can just do that.
It has the henchman. Wala yun.
Antayin lang sa pasensya. Sige sir, dahil mo lang po.
I'm gonna
Tsaka same sila na. Pero meron siya ng...
Super! Pero, super naman sila. Kaya sa yun ba yun mismo? Saan? Ito rin po. Merong stock yung display yan. 1.
Hindi talaga pag senior. Hindi, kinamatanda sa iyo.
Makita yung pasting. Hindi ako friend ng Sting. Well, ayoko rin siya nung iyan. Pero hindi rin naman siya, kahit anong ano mo, ayaw niya rin.
I think we're on the opposite side. We're
Oh, sige, sige.
Pero kung bago ba? Ano ba sir? I think we have 10 or 7. I think 7 to 8. Baka ano po?
Kasama dyan. Pero ikaw din yung kakayos. Dito mahirap kaya. Sobrang
Pinigay ni Rosette sa akin. Pero dala ko. Pero parang ganito rin. Ay. Oh.
Sorry po ba?
Yeah,
Pero okay na, nakapagpumili ako ng greatest standing
I
import.
got it. I got it. Like,
Yeah, we get
variations of like credits that
Grabe, sorry. Grabe, tsaka ang hirap na yung kumuha ng beta card. Yung kaibigan ko sa Dubai.
Set siya. Set of 3.
Napapakuha ko ng isang case. Hindi daw binibenta yung set.
Yan. Doon studio ba yan?
Diyan natin, mas maluwag dyan eh.
yung sa'yo ka, anong pangalan niya?
Boss,
Kahit maraming niyayo.
Sino ba yun?
Yung Christopher Nolan na Batman.
Christian Bale, marami.
Hindi ako, legit.
Kaya babalikan mo?
Jollibee namin. Wala, baka interest ko eh. Price of rent na rin. Hindi siya makakabenta rito.
Ligaw tayo ng landas. Even? Aha. Ito na sa papa.
naman. Wala ka na. Dito yung kanta.
Let's go get your... I can carry.
Tigil muna kumain.
One three na nga yung ano ko. Ito dito.
Bili ako crucifix.
What will...
Chill, dito pa tayo.
Dito. See?
Kasi sabi mo?
Grabe dito.
Tapos love is space man. Kainin nyo lahat.
Familiar song.
Hindi, mga diamonds lang.
Bayo Robo, Bayo Man.
Pero yung vintage talaga na...
Kaya 3 weeks na ako hindi kumakain ng sweet.
At 3 wishes para natin, bro.
Magkapasok ito.
Ito? Bro, Glenn, magkano ano?
Kasi ang pinakamahal na nabili ko sa kuya ko, nakabox siya ng malaki. Na ano, 3,000 yun yung pinakamahal. Yung pagkabalik ko sa 8,000.
Wala yun, tinaas.
Baka na lang makumpleto kayo sa kuya ko. May nagpa-concert pa. Kasi yung kumpleto nyo, ano eh.
Yes po.
Tara.
Afternoon.
Okay na.
Ano pa ako eh. Kaya mo. Mga bobot mo. Tara, bawasan pa natin pera mo. Ha? Bawasan pa natin pera mo. Yung breakers. Kung medyo ano, kapitin. Ano pa mabawasan na? Bobot ako. Ito sir.
Buksan natin 1 din.
Siyempre ganda
So,
lang.
makita yung loob niya, bro. Ano? Wala ganda kasi.
Bro, may gandam din kami. Sorry yung boss mo, sorry ko.
Magkano yung ano, helmet?
Hoy!
Kanina, center pag-pin niya.
Magkano daw ito?
Kung legit yun na, kung nawala ka. Tatagal din. Si Iron Patriot ba to?
Okay lang, moving on.
Ayun o, may pops pa sa likod.
Kat, tanggalin mo yung buwan, Kat. Ay, tanggal mo buwan. Pati yung ano, tanggalin mo yun. Yun o yung Iron Man na yun.
Ay, balik lang ba siya?
Ikaw pa rin ang barbecue.
Meron na ano, Captain America.
Tanggal dyan ha.
Pinatay mo?
Wala akong pinatay. Hindi yan yung ano mismo yung LED.
Ah, di ko alam.
Ginagalaw yun. Wala pang iba eh. Yung mga nagawa ay kailangan pang lumabas si Mark 40 tsaka si Mark 19. Pag lumabas yun, tsaka yung ano pala, siyempre yung 37, si Hammerhead. Kasi malaki yun, hindi mo pwede custom yun. Pero yung Mark, lumabas si 40 tsaka si 19.
Sorry.
Wala naman dito si ano eh. Hindi ko naman sisama dito si... Ito malalaki. Si Igor, Hawkbuster 1, Hawkbuster 2. Tsaka si... Ano? Si... Hammerhead. Hindi naman kakasya rito eh. Tapos silang 7, nakaiwala yan eh. Sila yung nasa Hall of Armor talaga eh.
Oh, yung
Ito mga to na, sila nasa Hall of Armor.
I'm so sorry. Pero natin. Parang
Pero yung iba niyang design ngayon, may mga ganito, yung mga bagong design, may mga isang peraso. Iyak na siya, iyak.
tiis na yung ulo mo.
I'm wondering. That's what she wants. I don't know.
Sino ba yun?
Ikinari snake.
Kaya di sa kabila lang. Ayaw mo dun sa ano, sangyup.
Kaya pinag-ibig ko sa bagat yung mga ayaw nga. Pwede ba si Don?
Meron sa concert.
You see something?
Ito, okay pa naman to, ano? Yes, yes. It's still in good condition. Sino to? Sino to? Sorry? Sino to?
Cloud cover.
Natatransform siya.
Yes,
Ito na lang. Para may mabili naman ng sige.
plastic pa ba bro or?
Huwag na, may bag naman.
Okay. Let me just take a picture ng toy.
Ano gusto mo? Cash, Gcash?
If Jacob bro, parang
It's your work.
Nakilala mo ba?
Kasi nga sikat na sikat ka doon. Gusto mo rin ng ano?
Ayan, hirap po.
Tatak ba yun?
Meron ako doon dalawa na hindi pa pinubuksan.
Let's go home. Ayos ah.
Ba't di mo ka na Lebron?
Kakain ka tayo.
Traitor yan!
Lebron ka?
Ano yung gusto mo?
Oo, nag-set ko ba?
I don't think.
Ito kami po.
Say last performer.
Mamaya ako nag-google.
Next time this one. Ito may kuspidente niya.
Sige, taga. May bilang.
Hoy, ayusin mo pag-spin mo pati pag...
Hindi, si Miguel kasi ito.
Boss.
Probably.